Here it goes, here it comes. Here we go. Alright, good evening. Now streaming Kingdom Hearts 3D Dream Drop Distance Nintendo 3DS. So it's a spin-off of Kingdom Hearts. It takes place between Kingdom Hearts 2 and what do you call this? Kingdom Hearts 2.8. Yun, okay. I'm back. May ilang technical issues tungkol sa hindi ako pwede mag-rely sa ganda ng music. Dearly beloved tong music. Hindi ako pwede mag-rely sa data na disconnection. Mas gusto ko yung Other Promises na Roxas theme kaysa sa Dearly Beloved.
Is this how you wanted it?
Sana wag mo blue screen.
Xehanort, you want to fill me in?
Oh, yun si Xigbar.
Do you remember now? Or...
Ito yung
Wait. Did you
ito yung
never
event na
lose
to
your
sa sa birthday sleep ng PS. Yun.
That's not my name.
Oh my
I'm not
goodness. Si Xehanort.
Xehanort.
What?
Pero isa si Xigbar sa main villain. May parang secret egg.
Is Ansem.
Kung alam niyo yung nangyari sa Kingdom Hearts 3 ng PS4.
But how far could a raft take us?
Who knows? If we have to, we'll think of something else.
Riku, a storm's coming.
I know. The waves are getting steep. Furl the sail.
Right. Riku!
I'm fine.
Kuya,
What's that?
Those wretched guppies
ayan
are
na, si
here.
Ursula.
Well, it's about
Natapos ko
time
na to dati.
we
Lahat na
settled the
natapos.
score.
Ursula! But how... Is this the test?
Come on. You can work it out later.
All right!
Sorry, dearies, but I won't fall for that trick.
Wait. Ayan na. Okay na ako. Play now. Skip tutorial.
You dare torment me,
Naglalag.
you insignificant fool!
Baliktad pala rito.
Yeah. Hey. Time for my revenge. Yeah. Fine. Time for my revenge. Hey. Yeah. Time for my revenge. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Ha. Hey. Ha. Ha. Hey. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Layo na pala niya.
Time for my revenge!
Freeze! Fine!
Uy, Kingdom. Kingdom Hearts. Ito yung sinasabi kong secret na game. Sabi ko secret muna. Ito yun. Ito na yun. Lahat na ng in-stream ko, natapos ko na. Meron dito mismo sa ano ko yan, sa 3DS ko. Disconnect na naman yung live stream. Ito yung ano ko. Uy, Jerome ko ng Jay ko. Welcome back to stream. Thanks for liking this. Kingdom Hearts. Kita pa. Kingdom Hearts 3D. Medyo na-disconnect na naman ako. Notify, rainy evening, kape. Notify, buti pa sa inyo umuulan. Sa amin, hindi eh. Medyo mainit-init dito sa amin.
This world has
been connected. Tied to the darkness. Flashback, the Markov Mastery Exam. Skip ko na to. Okay. Gusto ko yung minigame nito eh, yung para siyang ano, may pagka Pokemon. Magte-training ka ng Dream Eaters. Na, nagda-dive in na sa ano, Pastory. Ay, mali. Pala, paano yun? Lagers Stream of Ups. Kaya nga eh. Lagers in Paris na naman.
Here we go! Faster! Here we go!
Na-download ko pala yung control kasi darating yung best friend ko mamaya. Sana maayos yung ano, yung external na wifi. Paayos ko sa kanya. Default settings din yan si timeline mo. Oh, lagi lang akong default settings eh. Hindi ako nag-a-adjust. Disconnect, ano na naman, internet na naman yung problema ko. Wi-Fi. Oh, skip ko sana eh.
Ha! Yeah! Ha! Yeah! Ha!
Di ba madilim sa ano? Sa stream? Hindi. Mas maliwanag pa nga sa stream. Baliktad yata. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang yung ano, analog, baliktad. Camera, left, right, flip, default. Yun, okay. Ayoko ng flip eh, hindi ako sanay dun. Parang pampasko. Ito meron. Ay! Ah, wala. Naano lang. Sa Kingdom Hearts 1 pala yun. Kala ko. Kasi pareho sila ng Traverse Town ng Kingdom Hearts 1 eh. Sa Kingdom Hearts 2 wala nang Traverse Town. Okay. Save point. Save. Dalawa lang yung slot ng save point. May ano ba to? Save state? Save. Meron. Nice, nice. May save state din pala. Ano yan? Tutorial ship play. Kalimutan ko na niya. Ah, okay. Reality ship. Oh, yung sana. Kaso paano ko i-kick X tsaka A, X tsaka A, triangle, circle. Okay. Ayun lang. Mouse pa. Kalimutan ko na eh. Alam mo, bumili ako ng Gomer Cassie ng Jinko's Gaming Hub. Welcome back sa stream. Thanks for liking it. Bumili ako ng 3DS. Isa to sa pinakauna kong nilaro.
Hey, I didn't catch your name.
Ay, dapat pala nag-ano ako.
That's a weird name.
Hindi pa kabukas.
Damn.
Pala nag
Right.
Ocarina of Time remake. Bukas na lang.
Don't let him surround us. Let's split up.
Got it.
It's Neku.
Huh?
Neku Sakuraba.
Neku Sakuraba.
Neku Sakuraba. That's a mouthful.
No, it's really not.
Come on, Neku. Let's take
Sa mouthful. Ang haba raw ng pangalan. Slow motion combat. Okay. Slow motion. Alam ko na yan. Medyo linear nga lang tong ano. Sa totoo lang. Kasi pag nasa words na, tsaka konti ng words dito. 6 lang yata. 5. Hunchback of Notre Dame, Tron Legacy, ba yun? Yung Mickey Mouse na ano, luma. Tapos ano, Pinocchio. Word ni Pinocchio na ano. Use white light. Ay, hello kay ano. Hello kay Ate Lisa. Thanks for sending 10 stars. Salamat kay Ate Lisa. Hello, kumusta na? Happy New Year pala, Ate Liz. Happy New Year. Salamat sa pag-send ng 10 stars. Naku, wala pala akong commercial dito. At dahil dyan, may commercial tayo. Magpa-commercial muna ako. Yun. Teka lang. Dahil may nag-send ng 10 stars. Happy New Year! Okay, commercial muna. Ito magandang commercial dito. Ano ba yun? Ayan. Commercial na. Magandang pang rito. Ito. Sana yun? Chrome. Tapos 3DS. Ayan. Ito, kanin natin to. Happy New Year! Yan. Pati yun. Mataas yung rank niya sa Hearthstone. Kaya yun. Okay. Dahil dyan, nasaan na yung Chrome yun. Dahil may nag-send ng star yun, kayahin ko lang si Derek. Okay. Happy New Day, Blackson ng Tripship. Thanks for liking and sharing the stream. Welcome back sa stream. Yun. Ako. Ay, mali. Ano ba yun? Wala, ayaw lumabas. Yeah. Ay, mali. Sayang yung potion. Okay. Slide towards the panda and press. Mali.
Come on!
Yun.
There! Yeah!
Okay. Tingin nga. Hindi masyadong kita yung mapa na sa baba eh. Hindi ako makapag-split ng ano.
These things with you, they're Dream Eaters too?
Yeah. If I'm gonna survive the game, I'm gonna need some extra help.
Squeaky.
Think you could control them?
Sure. I guess.
Lag pa rin ba?
Travel between them. In the past, you
lang,
could
laging
bridge these gaps
nadi-disconnect.
because the walls were broken, or because you could open special lanes with your keyblades. But your new goals, the sleeping keyholes, are harder to reach. You'll recall in your first journey that you brought many worlds back from the darkness, but some never returned completely. They still sleep, cut off from all outside channels. Not even the Heartless can enter.
Di convenient yung
These
data.
sleeping worlds are
Kahit
set
mag-unli
in their
data ka.
own manner of darkness. They are called
Napuputol.
dreamers. And there are two kinds. Nightmares, which devour happy dreams. And benevolent spirits, which consume the nightmares. The Dream Eaters will guide you, just as the Heartless once guided you to the keyhole you seek at the heart of each world.
Yan. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Dream pieces when you repeat na. Ay, bakit dito ako tumitingin? Ito pala ako titingin. Ayun. Menu. Pindot mo ng menu. Ay, hindi kita dyan, ano? Nasa bottom screen, eh. Select recipe. Okay. Ito yung papalevel up mo. Okay. Ta-da! Ang cute. Give a spirit name. Anong kapangalan ko? Meow wow. Okay na yan? Meow wow. Okay na yan. Default. Tatagalan ako pag babaguhin ko pa eh. Touchscreen. Pwedeng i-touch. Eh. Kulit. Okay na. Go, go. Okay na to. There, you got some link points. Ability. Okay. Ability, okay. Okay, parang ano, spear grip. Natakli ako. Spear grip. Grabe yan. Saan na ba papunta? Kalimutan ko na eh. Meron dito. Treasure pa. Ano to? Shoutout ulit kay Ate Lisa sa pag-send ng stars. Salamat. Follow nyo pala siya. Nice Gaming. Hello kay Rayq. Follow niya kasi nagbablog yung ano ko, asawa ng pinsan ko. Nagbablogger siya. Nice Gaming. Rayq Pastime. Welcome back sa stream at text for like. Text. Text daw. Thanks for liking the stream. Ite text. Wala na. Ito na. Bilis tumakbo ni Sora dito eh. Dun sa Kingdom Hearts 1, hindi naman siya ganito kabilis tumakbo. Bagal kaya niyang tumakbo. Teka, baka mayroon sa taas. Ayun o, sabi ko na nga ba.
Freeze! Fine!
Balloon. Balloon. Para saan yun eh. Natapos ko natin, hindi ko alam para saan yung balloon. Yung sa Dream Eater siya tayo. Anyway, diretso na. Aray.
I brought you Sora. We had a bargain.
What's the matter, Neku? No way!
Hey, that wasn't the deal. You said you wouldn't hurt it.
Don't! Neku! They're too dangerous! What? Why am I so sleepy?
Na switch time na Rayq gameplay na. Ito ayoko dito. Yung may time limit siya. Pag naubos yung time, magiging ano, pagpapalit-palit sila. Kahit nakakasira nung ano, yung focus ka sa story, sa ano. Biglang magpapalit ng ganun, o kaya may kinukuha ka, tapos pagbalik makakalimutan mo. Yung hate na hate ko. Halimbawa, nag-ano ka, no, nag-farm ka ng experience para magpa-level up. Tapos biglang nag-time limit, na ano yung time limit, napunta dito kay Rayq. Mega bless. May hinto yung ano mo, yung kung ano yung ginagawa mo dahil doon. Ay, hindi pa yeti. Grabe, kalahati na kagad yung buhay. What? Naka-easy mode naman ako. Ganyan din yung sinabi ko sa ano, Call of Duty. Naka-easy mode naman ako. What the... Silver Diver. Letter B pa. Kahit mamamatay na, letter B pa rin yung rank.
Am I in Traverse Town? My clothes have changed. Sora! Where are you? I remember we fell overboard after Ursula attacked, and then I think we opened a keyhole. So, this must be one of the sleeping worlds. My Keyblade. It just sort of popped into my hand when I needed it most.
Just
Right.
when I needed
It started.
Wow. Where's your portal?
Huh?
It takes something special to jump between grounds without one.
Joshua.
Who are you?
My name is Joshua.
What do you mean, portal?
Si
Are we
Joshua
just
na
skipping
nagpapanggap
past the
na
part when
patay.
you tell me your name?
Isa siya sa mga Reaper. Kung nalaro niyo yung The World Ends
Hello
With You.
there, Riku. Portals are like
May anime,
beacons that link
The
up
World
our
Ends With You.
worlds. Apparently, the world you and I are standing in right now, well, there are two copies of it.
Medium Award.
It's been sort of split in half. Portals are what let folks like us cross between them.
There can be two of a world?
The world is as many things as people need it to be. The concept that we all live in the same world, that's just in our heads. Surely you knew. I'll tell you what, Riku. I've got a little errand for you.
Sorry. I don't trust you.
Background music.
At least hear me out. I'm looking for a girl named Rhyme. She's the key to the portal. And on the other side, who's who will find? Maybe even your friend.
Baka makapiright ako dito. Ang ganda ng
You know
music
Sora?
ng ano, ng soundtrack
Now
ng
I have your
tawag
attention.
dito. The World Ends With You.
But
Subarashi
unfortunately,
Kiko no Sekai.
I don't know where he is. If he's not in
His
this version of
Amazing
the world,
World.
I can only assume
Iba, hindi.
he has
Iba
to be
yung
in the other one.
English
Simple.
translation ng title.
Okay. You want to find Rhyme? You got it. Let's go.
Rhyme tsaka si Beat. Si ano naman, si Neko, hinahanap niya si ano. Si Rhyme yung bata eh. Si Neko hinahanap niya yung partner niyang babae, si ano. Yung may manika. Kalimutan ko pangalan. They are Link Portals. Portals. Okay. Slime shot. Okay. Pwede siyang ano, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung para saan.
You're done!
What? Ayun. Defense space. Laman ng item. Ngayon lang Nuggets. Walang laman. Yung shot. Gets ko na. Yan siya. Hindi ko talaga gusto yung mga mechanics dito.
Fire! Yes!
At least wala nang MP. Hihintayin mo na lang mag-recover. Ganito sa ano eh, sa Birth by Sleep sa PSP. Wala nang MPM.
Fire!
Hindi pwede. Dati, pero yung para mabuksan. Okay, nandun yung daanan, pero okay, huwag muna. Shucks, ganit dito sa kwarto. Kita no. Ano to? May ano? Link portal. Sarado. Pwede yun lang talaga ang daanan. Ito lang.
Joshua, why don't they ever attack you?
They being Dream Eaters? They won't go after you unless you're a dreamer. Which is funny because I've got plenty of dreams.
But they're definitely attacking me. So, you think I'm a dreamer?
Every human being is a dreamer. I had a friend once who said he never dreamed of anything, but it turned out that his were the most powerful dreams of all. You sort of remind me of him. Why don't we give your dreams shape? In this world, they take form as Dream Eaters, which can become great allies.
A list of materials indicated. Komoriba. Pala yun yung Dream Eaters. Dream Eater pala niya. Quick. Give a spirit name. Komoriban. Ano lang? Ano ibang ano?
I got you now, Joshua!
Nancy Beat.
Once I take you down, yo, me and Rhymes is going back where we belong.
Beat. How many times do we have to go over this? You've been tricked by that rogue in the black coat.
What? Black coats? But that's...
I'm telling you, you've made a friend of our enemy.
Just can it, alright? Your inverse psychiatry ain't gonna work. Let's go, Dream Eaters! What? Ugh, man, not cool.
Thinking spirits. Thinking part. Agoy. Touch the screen to activate the screen. Ito. Yung parang ano, dark mode. Naka-dark mode. Red plus R. Same.
You know what? Forget it. This is stale, yo.
Playing the tough guy 24/7? I'd be worn out too.
I just want to protect the one person who matters.
I know the feeling.
Ding.
Why am I so sleepy?
The Keyblade Warrior. Right?
Long ago, in the age of fairy tales, the world was filled with light, a gift many believed from an unseen power known as Kingdom Hearts. You see, Kingdom Hearts was protected by its counterpart, the Keyblade, so that none could ever lay hands on its mysteries. But in time, the world was overrun by legions who wanted the light all for themselves, and the first shadows were cast upon the land. These warriors crafted Keyblades in the image of the original Keyblade, and waged a great war over Kingdom Hearts. We call this the Keyblade War. But though the war extinguished all light from the world, the darkness could not reach the brightness inside every child's heart. With that light, the world was remade as we know it today, with countless smaller worlds shining like stars in the sky. As for the real Keyblade, it did not survive the battle.
X-Blade.
The two elements that created it, one of darkness and one of light, shattered into 20 pieces, 7 of light, 13 of darkness. And as for the source of all light, the one true Kingdom Hearts, it was swallowed by the darkness, never to be seen again. As long as it remains there, even the brightest world will have its dark corners. After all, light begets darkness, and darkness is drawn to light. For this reason, some decided to use the Keyblade, a weapon designed to conquer the light, to defend the light instead. These were the first heroes of the Keyblade.
Daming ano. May port epic.
Where is he?
Oh. Si Neko.
They're both gone.
Tsaka yung ano.
Before I fell asleep, Neku said that he and that creep in the coat had a deal. But what was the deal?
Deal or
the two
no
of them in
deal?
league? That can't be right. We never even found Neku's partner. I guess I should just take a look around.
Touch to drop. Ah, para oo. Ayoko niya. Yung pag gusto mo na mag-switch kay Rico kahit di pa time, ipindutin lang yung drop. Oo nga.
Yeah.
Ay, kakampi pala. Saan pupunta? Ah, oo. Okay. Ayaw. Treasure. There. End stream ko pala ito ng maaga. Kasi magda-download ako ng ano. Tawag doon, control. Punta yung best pa rin ko. Papatry ko yung control. Huwag mo na. Panakuha yun. Nasa taas. Hindi ako umabot dun sa ano. Dun sa Saudi sale ng ano. Winter sale ng Steam. Ay. Ay no. May makukuha. Ang dulo nito. Ay god. What? Dito. Yun. Hirap pumakit. Layo pa na malalaglag. Ito, mapa. Spark? Sparkle. Edit text. Deck. Command, ano? Command deck. Edit deck. Sliding dash. Ulit sa akin, wala pa. Ah, yung spark, ano? Yung spark thunder. Wala na. Wala pang save point eh. Tawag ko na nga yung dapat puntahan. Dito ba yun? In. Troubling fantasy. Ito dapat pupunta. Walang hirap dito sa laro na to. Hirap ano yun ang ano, daan. Teka nga, iyan ako, minimize. Okay, so ito daw. Yun. Ito na, save point. Kung hindi ko pa zoom out yung mapa, hindi ko pa makikita kung saan yung daan. Tsaka ano, stream ko na rin. Nantok ako. Neko and this game part. Akala mo bang may gantong lugar sa ano, Traverse Town? Pero ano kasi to eh, panaginip lang kasi to eh. Kaya hindi siya totoo. Parang ano, Chain of Memories. Pero hindi naman panaginip yung Chain of Memories. Balong again. Kapit. Spark. Ano ba yun? Hindi pala yung thunder, lightning. Iba. Galing yung sobre. Mag-1 hour na. Save ko na. Alright. Nakalagay dito kung ilang hours. May 3 minutes pa. Explore ko nga muna. Dito kasi nakalagay naka 1 hour na ako. Pero dun sa stream ko mismo 57 minutes. So meron pa akong 3 minutes. I-end stream ko na rin. Oh no. Hinaw mo na. Spider-Man. Ito mag-explore sa kingdom. Wala, todo na. Ay, gagi. Eh. Bakit hindi nakatuntong sa ano ba yung connection ng kulay blue na yun? Ay, hindi. Pang ano lang siya. Kala ko pwedeng tumutong. Grabe yung lag. So, minimize ko na. Uy, JP Gamer. Pa-end stream na ako eh. Kingdom lo yan. Kingdom ek. The Kingdom ni Bossing. Bossing Big Soto. The Kingdom ng Manila Film Festival. Ayun. Wait. May treasure dito eh. Ice Dream Cone. Dito na lang. Dito. Manila Film Festival eh. Save ko na. Tapos, ayawan na. Ay, hindi ako pwedeng mag-ano rin. Pwede pala. Okay. Bye. Salamat sa mga bossing. Kung kailan pa tapos na. Tuloy ko na lang to. Bukas kasi ay Lunes. Lunes ko continue. Tapos ko na naman na to, kaya madali na to. Masing sayo niya. GG. Oo nga. Malapit na mag-drop. Kay Rick. Malapit na magpalit ng karakter. Stream na. Kasi may magda-download pa ako na no. Pupunta yung best friend ko mamaya. Download ko yung sa Epic Games. Lalaro kami. Okay, bye. Bye. Ibang araw